YouTube, what is going on? I am about 20 here, and I'm going to run you through my tackle box. Pretty sure you guys are wondering what I really do. I do a lot of inshore fishing, so I'm just going to run you through my tackle box like I said. So here we go. Got a lot of DOA airheads up here. Really good colors, pretty much. Got all the colors that I can get. Got glow, struck naked, pearl. This is the color that I caught the snook on. If you guys seen that airhead video that I have up, haven't used this color yet. I don't even know if it's good. The red with gold, Arcadian. Got another box over here. Come on, get out of there. Got some more airheads. I think this one's the struck naked. I'm not even sure. The chicken on the chain. I forgot the name of that color. Here's I think this one's trout color. But we got some DOA. Got some more Terrorize here to throw out the spillway, docks, bridges, whatever. It doesn't really even matter. Got some DOA shrimps here too. Some really good colors to have right here. This one, my friend's favorite color, the watermelon, and he also likes the clear, which is the natural color that you can actually possibly catch anything on. But yeah, these are some of the colors that you guys should look into that really work. Got some other stuff over here. Got some Top Dog lures. The one with the lip, I actually like this one. Caught a bunch of snook on this one. Haven't used the white one. Got some Rapalas here. This is actually a really good color for mackerel and stuff like that. Got some hoggies to throw at tarpons. Haven't really caught anything on them, but I'm still trying with them. Got some jigs here for shrimp or whatever. Some pompano jigs, some other stuff in there. What else do I got in here? Good pair of pliers, Proline pliers. Ever guys go fishing, you guys, want to have a good pair of pliers. Come on, get out of there. Get out of there. Well, there's my Proline pliers, aluminum. They come in handy when, I go wading a lot, so they come in handy. Especially even on the boat when you need them, especially with this cord right here. But that's my tackle box, guys. So tell me what you think. If I need to get some more stuff or update, let me know.